everyone. Imagine you're in a bustling cafe, effortlessly ordering your favorite drink in English without a second thought. Or you're at a grocery store, navigating through your shopping list in English as naturally as you would in your native language. How liberating that would be, right? Today, we're discussing strategies to help you think in English, making it a seamless part of your everyday life. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to recognize the importance of thinking in English for everyday fluency, discover practical techniques to facilitate English thinking in various daily scenarios, feel confident to integrate these techniques into your everyday life. Thinking in English is essential for developing fluency. It reduces the time needed for mental translation, helps you think faster and makes your communication more natural. Plus, it allows you to catch nuance and cultural differences that might be lost in translation. Break down your day into categories and think in English about each one. For example, categorize your activities into work, meals, exercises, and relaxation. While preparing your breakfast, think, I need 2 eggs, a slice of bread and some butter. At work, consider your tasks. I need to send that email, or let's start the meeting. This segmentation helps you practice thinking in English throughout different parts of your day. Place visual prompts around your environment to remind you to think in English. These could be sticky notes with phrases or questions in English placed on your fridge or mirror. I once placed sticky notes with questions like, what are your plans for today? And how do you feel right now? Around my apartment. So every time I saw one, I answered it in English. This constant engagement helped me maintain an English thought process throughout the day. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your experiences in English. This could be done through journaling or simply thinking about your day before bed. Imagine your mind as a garden. Regular self-reflection is like watering the plants, helping your thoughts grow and develop in English. Reflecting in English consolidates your learning and makes the language more personal and meaningful. Set specific goals for practicing English each day. This could be learning a new word, using a new phrase, or having a conversation in English. Set a goal to learn 5 new words related to your hobby and use them in a sentence. If you love cooking, learn the English terms for different cooking techniques and ingredients, then practice using them while you cook. Immerse yourself in environments where English is spoken. Join clubs, attend events, or participate in online forums where English is the primary language. I joined an international book club where we discussed books in English. Engaging with native speakers and other learners not only improved my language skills but also gave me confidence to think and express myself in English. When you're out and about, take a few moments to observe your surroundings and describe them in English. This helps you build a mental library of English vocabulary related to everyday objects and scenarios. While waiting for the bus, describe the scene in your mind. The bus stop is crowded. People are chatting. The bus is approaching slowly. This practice keeps your mind engaged in English. Before engaging in a common activity, mentally rehearse it in English. Whether it's ordering food, shopping, or asking for directions, go through the conversation in your mind in English. Think of it like athletes visualizing their performance before a major game. You're preparing yourself for real-life interactions by mentally rehearsing everyday scenarios in English. Now here's an assignment for you. Whenever you catch yourself thinking in your native language, switch to English. Keep a log of how often you do this each day. Thinking in English for everyday situations is a powerful step towards fluency. Start small, be confident, and watch as your ability to think in English grows.